Guys, today I'm going to show how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in Honor Pad 8. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts, at the start always check the simplest way, so check your DND mode. Let's open the top menu, on the left side, expand icons, and now check that you have turned off the DND remote icon. If you don't see it here, click on the pen icon, choose edit shortcut switch, and now check for the DND remote here. Oh, there we have, on this device we have a fixed mode, so make sure that you have this feature deactivated. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp. Okay, now on this device we have to open the settings. Then go to the apps and look for the apps again. Then open the WhatsApp. Let's start from the notifications, check that you have this feature activated, and after that open the more settings. Now make sure that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the storage, but remember to make the backup of your messages before. Choose the clear data button and choose OK. After that you have to log in again to the WhatsApp and check your notifications. If you still don't have it, let's open the system and updates and choose the reset. Tap on the network settings and tap on this button 2 times. And the last step, try to upgrade your system, so go to the software update. If you have an update, just install it and check your WhatsApp again. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.